Noticed your browser slowing down or websites not loading? It is super annoying, right? It might be time to clear all the cookies and cache on your Chrome. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel GetAssist, and today I am going to show you how you can clear the cache and cookies on Chrome in simple taps. And that is very simple, quick, and can give your browser a quick start. So let's get started. The very first step is open your Google Chrome browser. Next up, tap on the three dots in the top right corner, that's your main menu. Next, go down and select Settings from the list. On the left hand menu, click Privacy and Security. Next, hit Delete Browsing Data or Clear Browsing History. A pop-up window will appear. Make sure you're on the Basic tab, then select the time range. Choose All Time if you want a complete cleanup. The next step is to tick these two boxes. The number one is cookies and other site data, and the second one is cached images and files. The last step is to click on the blue delete data button and you are all set. Don't worry, this is not going to delete any of your saved passwords or bookmarks. But yes, you will need to sign into some sites again. It is a very small step towards bigger speed. If this video has helped you in any way to clear out your browser mess, do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.